By going to the File menu, I go to the Import menu and select the Merge option. Then I go to the address of my sample file and select my file. From the Open It window, I select all the items and click the OK button. I select the cabinets and refrigerator section and display them individually by pressing the Alt and Q keys. I select the cabinets and oven units and move them to the right. Then I select the unit next to the refrigerator and make a copy of it. I select the handle next to the refrigerator and make a copy of it and place it in the empty space. Then I select the unit next to the refrigerator and make a copy of them. I make a copy of the beginning column and place it at the end of the work. I select the footrest object and edit it in Edit Poly. I select the oven unit and the surface on it. And I rotate them 90 degrees and then I fix their ends to the ends of the previous unit by activating the snap. I make a copy of the drawer units and fix them next to the previous unit. In this section, I select these units and move them and rotate them and fix them next to the previous unit. I select the unit and make a copy of it and then move it in the X direction 45 centimeter. And I do this again. And I repeat this again. And then I select the unit and its door and make a copy of them. And in the modifier, I change the height to 65. Then I select the third footrest and rotate it clockwise and fix it to the end of the previous unit. Then I select my second footrest and edit it from the Edit Poly and fix it to the third footrest.